Welcome to day 16 of the 30-day data science video series. So we're going to be going over advanced aggregate functions in SQL. So this basically will do a deep dive into advanced aggregate functions, essential tools for analyzing and summarizing data in SQL. So if you already mastered the basic sum, count, and average, get ready to level up your skills. So we'll go over the overview, key aggregate functions like group, concat, LISTAGG, median, percentile count, standard deviation, variance, rollup, cube, practical examples, best practice, hands-on challenge. So SQL's aggregate function are indispensable for summarizing and analyzing data, while basic aggregates like sum, average, and count are common. Advanced aggregate functions unlock deeper insights into your datasets. They help you concatenate strings into a single value, calculate statistical measures like median, variance, and standard deviation, perform hierarchical aggregations with rollup and cube, and handle distinct aggregations more flexibly. So key aggregate functions, breakdown of advanced aggregate functions, their syntax and their use cases. We have variance, calculates the variance of a numerical column. Standard deviation calculates the standard deviation of a numerical column. Median finds the median value of a numerical column. Percentile disk returns specified percentile. Discrete percentile continuous returns a specified percentile continuous. Cumulative distribution calculates the cumulative distribution of value within a result set. N-tile, which is divides rows into specified number of groups and assigns a group ID. So we have group concatenation string aggregate, concatenate values from multiple rows into a single string. We have group concat in MySQL and string aggregate. So select group concat column name separators, a comma as concatenated values from table name. There's also select string aggregate column name as concatenated values from table name. And it's selected as products from orders or categories electronics. List egg is an oracle similar to group concatenate but specific to Oracle databases. Select list egg column name within group order by column as concatenated values. LISTAGG employee name within group order by hire date as employee list from employee where department is HR. Median purpose to calculate the median value of numerical column, support database Oracle, PostgreSQL, SQL Server with percentile functions. Select median column as median value from table name. Select median salaries, median salary from employees where department ID is 10. Percentile, continuous, and percentile. Disk, discrete, so continuous percentile and discrete percentile. All three databases listed. Select percentile continuous or profile within group order by column name as median from table name. Select percentile continuous within group order by score as top 10% from test results. Standard deviation variance, calculate statistical measures like standard deviation variance. All major databases select standard deviation column name as standard deviation variance as variance from table name. Example, select standard deviation salary, salary standard deviation variance as salary variance. Rollup and cube is generate subtotals and grand totals for hierarchical data. Supported databases are these. Select department ID, sum salaries, total salary from employees, group by roll-up. Select product ID, region, sum sales, total sales from sales data. Group by cube, count distinct with filter, count distinct values with additional conditions. Select count distinct column name filter where condition is count value from table name. Select count distinct customer ID filter where region is north as north customers. Practical examples here, real world use case scenarios for advanced aggregate functions. String aggregation. So we have generate a comma separated list of employee names by department. Select department ID, string aggregation, employee name as employee list from employees, group by department ID. Median salary. Find the median salary in each department. Select department ID, percentile continuous within group. Order by salaries, median salary from employees, group by department ID. Analyze salary distribution within standard deviation variance. Select department ID, standard deviation salary as salary, standard deviation variance salary as salary variance from employees, group by department ID. Hierarchical aggregation, get total sales by region, overall total using rollup. Select region, sum sales, total sales from sales data, group by rollup. Each advanced aggregate function follows a syntax. Select aggregate function, column name as result alias from table name, group by these two column names, group by column name, order by column name. So variance and standard deviation, suppose there's a sales table with this, calculate the variance and standard deviation. You do variance sales amount as sales variance, standard deviation sales amount as sales standard deviation from sales. You get that result. Calculate the median 75th percentile sales amount. Median sales amount as median sales, percentile count within group, group by sales amount as percentile this. Gives those two values to calculate the cumulative distribution, select sales amount, cumulative distribution over order by sales amount as cumulative distribution from sales. To divide sales into two groups, select sales amount and tile over order by sales amount as group ID from sales. Then best practices, optimize queries, use aggregate functions with appropriate indexes to avoid performance issues. Leverage database-specific features. Some databases support advanced function natively. Use them for better performance. Understand null handling. Be mindful of how null values are treated in aggregate functions, combines aggregate filters, use filter or having clauses to target specific subsets of data, hands-on challenge. So do string aggregation, write a query to list all product names sold in each region, median calculation, find the median revenue generated by orders in each month. Statistical analysis, calculate the variance and standard deviation of employee bonuses across departments. Hierarchical aggregation, use CUBE to analyze sales data. And we have two exercises and the summary. So we went over string concatenations, statistical measures, hierarchical aggregations. These tools help to uncover deeper insights. They use group by having, and that's all for today. Thanks for listening.